So friends, in this video we will give some art effect to the image. So first we will select the image to give art effect. So give the art effect to this image. First of all, we will have to use this pen tool to select the part of this image to give art effect, and before that click on this option path to select the part of this image like this. Select the part of this image like this with this very nice tool, that is a pen tool. So select this image very carefully like this in different ways, moving different ways, and click from where we have start this to select this image, and then click the right button, select make selection, enter the feather radius here 2, 3, 4, and then your picture will be selected, and create the duplicate or layer via copy of this selected part, or shortcut key Ctrl J. You will see a layer 1 of this image, selected image is created, and after that to give the effect to this layer 1, use this option filter, go in pixelates option and then pointillize this option points and then click OK. So this type of pixelate will be created on this image layer, and then go in filter again and give the artistic watercolor effect to this image, and adjust the some intensity from here, reduce it, and adjust some brush detail from here, reduce, or you can increase like this, and then texture effect from here, then click OK. So your image will be look like this. And if you want to adjust this layer some part on above like this, you can adjust that part here, and then after go in layer, new fill layer, and click on the gradient to create the gradient layer. Click OK and select from here the multicolor gradient, and then click OK and set the style from here reflection like this, and you can rotate the reflection from here like at 190 degree or 90 degree or 270 degree like this, 45 degree like this, and then click OK. Or you can set the scale of this part also, select adjust the scale part, then click OK, and then to combine this layer with the previous layer, to group this layer, layer 1 and this gradient layer, select the gradient layer, go in layer, click on the group with previous, shortcut key Ctrl G, you will see layer 1 and the gradient layer will be grouped, and then after give the overlay, use the overlay option or soft light option, use the overlay option is a great option, and then reduce some opacity from here, and you will see the effect of this image like this, create the artistic effect. And then to merge all these options, go in layer, click on flatten image or merge visible, shortcut key shift Ctrl E, all layers will be merged with background, and our artistic image is created like this.